Hello, this is Greg Roop from Consensus International. Just want to give you another quick tip on copying bill of material attachments to a production order. So if you go into your general document settings, under the general tab, you'll see this little checkbox down here that says copy attachments from the bill of material to the production order. You'll be able to do that, save this field. Then you go back over to your SAP Business One. You've got your bill of materials in there. If you need to go to attachments, on your attachments tab, you can go out, browse out to whatever attachment you need. I've already got an attachment already hooked in here, and you can see it's created this box. It says copy to production order. So if I finish up with that, and I go out and I create my production order, and I've created a production order with this item in there associated with it, and I look at my attachments, you can see it's grabbed it and brought it right back in there. So it's a really nice feature. If you can use this for any attachments that you have on there, provided you have the correct application running in your workstation to open that up and display. So I hope you can use this this feature. I like it a lot, and thank you very much.